How to get unbanned from ometv. We're diving into a topic that many of you have been asking about, getting unbanned from ometv. Now we know how frustrating it can be to lose access to this popular video chat platform, but fear not. We've got some expert tips and tricks to help you regain your ometv privileges in no time. So let's get started. Before we dive into the solutions, let's address the reasons behind why you might have been banned from ometv. Common reasons include inappropriate behavior, violation of community guidelines, or even accidentally triggering their automatic ban system. It's important to understand why you got banned so that you can avoid similar mistakes in the future. Now that we've identified the reasons behind your ban, let's move on to the main event: how to get unbanned from ometv. One effective method that many users have found success with is by using a virtual private network, or VPN. VPNs, such as NordVPN, Surfshark, and ExpressVPN, can be powerful tools in bypassing IP bans and regaining access to ometv. So how exactly do VPNs work? Well, let me break it down for you. When you connect to a VPN server, it creates a secure and encrypted tunnel between your device and the internet. This tunnel masks your real IP address and assigns you a new one based on the server location you choose. By changing your IP address, you essentially trick ometv into thinking you're accessing it from a different location, thus bypassing any bans associated with your original IP. Now let's talk about some of the best VPN options out there. NordVPN, known for its robust security features and extensive server network, is a popular choice among users seeking to regain access to ometv. Surfshark, with its unlimited device connections and excellent speed, is another great option to consider. And then we have ExpressVPN, which boasts lightning-fast servers and a user-friendly interface. All three of these VPN providers have proven to be reliable in bypassing ometv bans and ensuring a smooth online experience. But hold on, there's more. Using a VPN doesn't just help you get unbanned from ometv, it also provides additional benefits. With a VPN, you can protect your online privacy, secure your personal information from hackers, and even access geo-restricted content. It's like unlocking a whole new world of possibilities while staying safe and anonymous online. Now it's time for some important tips when using a VPN to get unbanned. First and foremost, choose a VPN provider that offers servers in the country where ometv is accessible. This ensures a seamless connection and minimizes any potential lag. Additionally, always clear your browser cookies and cache before reconnecting to ometv through the VPN. This helps to eliminate any traces of your previous ban. Lastly, remember to use the VPN not only during the initial connection, but throughout your entire ometv session. Disconnecting from the VPN mid-session can raise suspicion and might lead to another ban. So keep that VPN connection strong and steady. And there you have it, folks. Our guide on how to get unbanned from ometv using VPNs like NordVPN, Surfshark, and ExpressVPN. Remember, getting unbanned is just the first step. It's essential to use this opportunity to engage in respectful and enjoyable conversations within the ometv community. To learn more about these VPNs, check the link in the pinned comment.